Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now I finally moved. I was moving. If you guys are wondering why I haven't been doing Twitch or uploading as more frequent, I was in the middle of moving to another place, a bigger place actually. And maybe I'll give you a house tour if you guys want it once everything's all cleaned up, you know. It's been only like 3 days or so, whatever. Anyways, GOT7, the lovely, legendary GOT7, just came back together for, I also got dogs if you heard that. But GOT7, NANANA, official MV just dropped. Love me some GOT7. My bias is Jackson, JB, Bam Bam, basically all of them. Comment stuff below who's your bias. Interesting to see GOT7 the way they didn't accept JRP's contracts, but they're still together. It's quite interesting. I feel like a lot of other groups might be doing that too. And other groups have obviously, like P/highlight. But anyways, let's check out this. I feel like a lot of everybody in Discord has been telling me it's a good song, so join the Discord if you haven't already. Alright y'all, let's get into this. Let's go, let's begin. Play my intro.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Alright, GOT7, NANANA. Is it NANANA? Or NANANA? NANANA. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Got captions on. Ooh, they suited and booted. Oh, look at the smile. Suited and booted. What you got? I got a message. What you bored doing? You mean I'm bored? I'm sorry. Okay, I know people hate it when I pause, but after this, no more pausing. But when somebody texts you, hey, I'm bored, I'm like, and? But if it's like, you know, it's one of your faves saying I'm bored, I'm like, what you want? You know, little difference. Anyways, let's go. Hey. Ooh. Double B. Bro, this man is crazy. Oh, I said I was gonna stop pausing, but anyways, I'm just so proud of Bam Bam. Just watching him grow, it's fucking amazing. Hey. Ooh, I like the outfit too. Woo. Let's go. Ooh, I love his voice. Oh, but I'm glad I got something to like stay together. Ooh, okay, lay down shot. Cause it got bobs, bro, from the very beginning. Hey, okay, let's go, Mark. Is that a peacock? Hey, let's go, taxi meter. I love the setup already. I wonder who did the setup. Ooh, yes, bitch. You better slay. Let's go, Snow White. Talking to the birds. Android 16 type of vibes. Ooh, and with the hair too. Let the birds go. Hey, it's so cute because obviously the fandom too. Jackson, you already know you the bias. You the fave. Even though I like the album, but the POV of the bird. Woo! I kind of like that setup. It looks like I kind of want to decorate my room like that too. Wow. Who made the beat too? Such a groovy, catchy, like mood. I don't know. Are we? We're thinking the same way. What are we thinking of? Oh, with the glasses too. Looks so wholesome. Ooh. Let's go, JP. You know, listen, he the bias record. Man got a smooth ass voice. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Let's go, Jackson. Let's go, Young J. Hey. Hey. Damn, they always look like they're a good time, bro. Oh, nice. Ooh, who directed? I like the setup, like the beginning. It looks like almost like it's a fake, like a little, like, you know, like when people rebuild like places but little. That's what it looks like, and then it zooms in with the bird. Okay, suited and booted. Cute. Hey, 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 hey. Got the message? What you saying? Where you at, girl? Hey. Double B. I like his outfit a lot. Obviously, he could probably only pull it off. I will never be able to wear that. But it's like a music video outfit, no? Like my type of style is like either Jackson's or who's wearing a sweater. Whoever's wearing the most comfiest clothes to. That looks dope. That's so good to see them together again because obviously they're pursuing their solo stuff. But when they're together, it's so powerful. It just brings a smile to my face, no? When you see them out together, especially with a song that's bangs like this. Okay, this is more of a groove, but it still bangs to me. Hey. Comments down below what you guys think of GOT7's NANANA official MV. I know, listen. You know this shit groove. You know you be body rolling like that. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Except that's the chair making noise, not my back. Imagine that's what, oh, I made the dogs bark. I'm sorry. Anyways, what's good with you? Join the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm doing okay. You know what I'm saying? Just living life. Finally got to move. It's been stressful. I don't know. Anyone that has dealt with moving, you know how stressful that can be. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Twitch live stream. Follow me on Instagram and follow my TikTok. Let's go. Link in the description. Join the Discord. Alright, y'all. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.